Hey you guys, today's video is going to be a quick little tutorial on how I shave my eyebrows, or how do I get my eyebrow look. So just a quick brow tutorial, you guys. So the first thing I do is I brush, and if you see me looking down, I'm looking in my mirror here, but I brush them all the way up, just to, if you could see, just to see those straggly hairs. And as y'all can see, my eyebrows are very thin, so I don't do too much because I want to keep the little bit I do have. And what I like to do is just go in and get the little scraggly hairs. And then I do the same thing for this side. All right. And once I do that, then I brush them down. Everything down. It looks funny, you guys, but trust me, it's going to work. And I just go back in with my scissors and just kind of get those stragglies. And then I got another little trick for you guys when I get through with this, just to make sure you got everything. It's gonna look good, promise you. I promise you guys it's gonna look good. Okay, now once you got all the squiggly hairs that you can cut, I always see little strigglies when I'm trying to finish up, but I go ahead and do that. All right, I'm back, and now all you do is you're gonna take your baby wipes, sensitive, and you're just gonna wipe it off. And like I said, if you see me looking over here, I'm looking down at my mirror, but see that? It's just a little bit, you guys. And my left brow, you guys, it's the one that always does the most, Jesus. And then I always like to spray a little setting prime on my eyebrows when I'm done, just to cool them down a little bit. And this is just calming facial mist. Like I said, it's not perfect, but it's good to keep it like that, and like I said, you see those little squigglies right there? What I do is I use the concealer and just, and then what I like to do is take my little eyebrow razor and just get those straggly little hairs out. See, and there you have it, you guys. And so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to shape my brows, or this is how I do when I do my Easy Glam. And this is ColourPop Brow Boss Gel, just so it can kind of stay in place, you guys. Because when you start sweating or whatever, well, it's not summertime, but when you start sweating and stuff, you don't want your eyebrows to be going all over the place. You want them to kind of stay put. So that's that. And then I just take a little, just a little powder to get some of the oil off of it. And that's my translucent powder. And I just take a little bit and just dab. So I do that. And then what I do is I get ready to do my brows. All right, so I take my e.l.f. brow pencil and I, again, just brush them to the way I like them. I don't know why, but this eyebrow is always shorter than the other one, but anyway. And then what I do is, and I'm gonna look down, you guys. So I take my brow pencil and I just slightly go in. All right, and don't worry about the line. I'm gonna get the line off. Then I'm gonna take my other pencil. So don't worry about the line, you guys. It's gonna all come together, I promise you. And this is how you make the line disappear. Take your spoolie and just go back in. Because we're going to do the concealer and it's going to close it. It's going to give you that, you know. Because it looks crazy when you have that line. Okay, so now I'm gonna clean them up with my concealer, my LA Color concealer. And I like to pull my eyebrow up and just go in like so. Then I'm gonna do my next one. All right. Now I'm gonna take this brush, multitasking blush. It's supposed to be for your blush, but y'all know I don't really go by the rules. Y'all know how I do. But just clean them up, you guys. Just go over it. And you want to just get that line. Because what you're really supposed to do is you're supposed to have the little brush where you can brush this down. Sometimes you just take your finger, and if you don't see it looking the way you want it to look. But yeah, that's it, you guys. Yep, that is it, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this brow tutorial. Let me know in the comments if you tried any of these steps in this video, but this is it.